Have you ever avoided laughing too hard at a joke? Skipped your favorite exercise class? Planned your entire day around bathroom locations? Or even felt hesitant during intimate moments? If you're nodding yes to any of these questions, I want you to know something important. You're not alone, and you do not have to live this way. I'm Lindsey Cieslak, nurse practitioner at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and this revolutionary device behind me is changing lives without surgery, without medication, and without any downtime. This is the Emsella. It's an FDA-approved treatment that strengthens your pelvic floor muscles to address the root causes of urinary incontinence and intimate wellness. What makes Emsella truly remarkable? It's its simplicity. You simply sit on this specialized chair, fully clothed, while it delivers high-intensity, focused electromagnetic technology, or HIFEM, to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. During one 28-minute session, Emsella delivers the equivalent of 11,000 Kegel exercises, something that's impossible to achieve on your own. This stimulates deep muscle contractions that strengthen your entire pelvic floor. Think of it as a super-powered workout for your muscles that you can't effectively train yourself. The best part, you remain completely clothed and comfortable throughout the entire treatment. Picture yourself confidently joining that dance class that you've been avoiding, enjoying a long road trip without mapping out every single rest stop, laughing uncontrollably at your friend's joke without that moment of panic. After just a few sessions, my patients tell me they're rediscovering that freedom they haven't felt in years. You deserve to live without the constant worry of incontinence. You deserve spontaneity, confidence, and with the Emsella, that freedom is possible. Call us today at 407-507-3837 to schedule your consultation. Let's take that first step towards a more confident you together.